In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable Steam input for generic controllers. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. So to enable this on your Steam, go ahead and first log into your account. And once you're logged in, go to Steam here and then click on it and then go and choose the settings option. Under settings, you'll see a variety of options here, and under it, look for the option called controller. Under controller, now we have the controller settings here. Now, if you go to external gamepad settings, you can see we have the option to enable Steam input for generic controllers. So if you want to enable this for your generic controllers, go ahead and toggle this on, and that is it. However, you may want also to go ahead and apply this on your specific games. To do that, it is simple. Just go to your library, identify the game that you so wish to apply this input, and then choose properties. Under this, now go ahead and choose controller. But for my case, you can see the default settings are usually applied. However, for your case, you might want to go ahead and enable them manually by tapping on enable Steam input. So if you go ahead and select that, it will go ahead and select the input that you have just selected. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.